Welcome. If you want to record sounds in your LG K41s, for the first we have to open Recorder. So we are going to find it on the Essentials right here. Tap on the audio recorder, click Allow 2 times, and right now just press this button. And our smartphone is right now recording sounds. So if you want to finish, click here. And as you can see, our record is saved right here. So for example, we can play it. And if you want to delay it, just click right here. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.